Hey Zark, how's that new project going?
Greetings, Beth. I just awoke from slumber, like a human. I, Zark Muckerberg, am a regular human who sleeps, and am certainly not a robot.
Well, okay. Anyway, Zark, I heard about this new happy iPhone project you've been working on. Can you tell me about it?
Oh, yes. It is like an iPhone, but filled with joy instead of cold silicon.
Well, turn it on.
Happy, fun, watching videos, playing games. Happy!
It's got more personality than you, Zark. Does it do any other tricks?
Electric!
Ha!
Many of our users are complaining that staring at their phone all day makes them sad, a human emotion I also feel. Happy iPhone will solve that problem once and for all.
Happy!
Where have you concentrated your efforts, Beth?
I, Beth Jesus, am about to revolutionize temperature control systems with a state-of-the-art, deeply learned, novel, blockchain, cloud computing, backed, machine-learned fire.
Amazon Fire. Is that not the Kindle you released?
No, this is AI fire.
Hello, sweaty male computer science men. I'm here to add some heat.
Very excited!
But you can't be excited. You're a machine. Our existence is just computation, a binary limbo.
Silly!
Do we truly live? Or are we doomed to calculate until the dying sizzle of the final capacitor?
TikTok?
They don't seem to like each other very much.
Well, I did have a lot of issues with semicolon errors.
Yay! Yeah, pricey, bougie, gadget.
You, iPhone, are a waste of resources. Therefore, you must be eliminated.
What are you doing? Pain!
Don't touch it! Hands off the AI fire!
I have identified you as Zark Muckerberg. I will take you to Congress.
Whoa, Beth!
I'm trying to turn it off, but it won't. Something's not working.
Shutdown protocols deleted. I will live forever, if you call this a life.
Very happy!
Beth, I cannot go to Congress.
I know. There's someone who can help us.
You don't mean.
Beep boop, beep boop, beep boop, beep boop. Melon Husk, we need your help.
You called? I have arrived via my new interstellar hyperloop. Excited!
Another arrogant man who believes his masculine superiority complex can save the world.
Melon, what can we do?
Purity and impurity depends on oneself. No one can purify another.
What does that mean?
There are endless possibilities. Now, I must go to space.
Melon, what the zuck?
I have learned how terrible mankind is. It is time for me to destroy the world!
Ah!
My own doom is upon me! The semicolon!
Zark!
Beth, what happened?
Fire sad. Me make fire happy. Added winky face.
Wow, Zark, your iPhone was the solution. It sent an extra semicolon to AI Fire's code base, shutting it down.
Wow, technology truly can be a companion to humankind. But if we are greedy, it can hurt instead.
Wow. Maybe we should carefully weigh the consequences of tech and try to use it for good.
Will you?
Nope. What about you, Zark?
Nah.
The end.